Hey friend, have you ever realized how crucial Azure Virtual Desktop is when it comes to managing work from virtually anywhere? It's this powerful service Azure provides, packed with all these options, from different operating systems to varied apps. But for it to operate smoothly, keeping its heart and soul, the infrastructure, in check is non-negotiable. Monitoring and maintaining it can seem like diving into a big ocean when you're a bit scared of the unknown. I get that. But trust me, I'll guide you through this so-called unknown, making it as straightforward as pie. First things first, we need to understand why keeping an eye on and maintaining AVD is more than just good practice, it's essential. In essence, it's about making sure that every time you or your team logging in, everything's running at its best capacity. Picture this service as your company's very own digital heartbeat. When it's not functioning well, our users might face lags, crashes, or, in the worst-case scenario, access to vital tools might get lost amidst this technological chaos. This is not just about performance, it's about keeping everyone safe and the data secure from unwanted leaks or breaches. Now let's break it down, okay? Imagine your Azure Virtual Desktop as a super busy city. You've got your host pools, those are like the city's residential areas. They're where all your virtual machines reside, they're your homes and offices here in Azure. Now, session hosts. They're the city's transport system, like buses, getting everyone, in our case, the desk times and applications, from one place to another. App groups, meanwhile, are the different districts within this city, each specializing in different kinds of services or functions. Finally, workspaces, they're like Azure's main roads, public gathering spots, where all these different residential areas, transports, and districts interconnect. To maintain smooth traffic in this bustling virtual city, we need to keep tabs on the